Hey everybody, how you doing today? Welcome back to Ken's Cafe. We got some shrimp. Got these nice bad boys marinating up in here. Gonna be making some shrimp tacos. We got the best hot sauce with some, scorpion pepper sauce. It's got some coconut up in here and everything else for the shrimp. Can't wait to throw it in the oven and get this bad boy shrimp tacos going. So we got the oven preheated over here. It is at 375. It's beautiful out today. I'm gonna grab a beer and start making some tacos for Taco Wednesday. I'm a day late. Shoot me. Nobody likes cleaning, so we throw some olive oil, smother that around a little, get all nice and greased up. You know, you want to lube that bad boy straight up. We're looking good over here. All right. Let's clean up. More time for good foods. Now you take your well-marinated shrimp. Absolutely gorgeous. Perfect local shrimp from Mayport. Look at that right there. That looks delicious. Just spread them out a little bit. That way they can evenly cook up. Look at that. It almost looks like I know what I'm doing here. Now it is at 375. We'll bake these bad boys for 7 minutes. I'm gonna throw them on the broiler and let this like crisp up a little bit and make a nice sticky flavor. Oh yeah, look at that Mayport shrimp just sizzling right there. Looks all nice and gooey. We got plenty of good looking shrimp in there for tacos. And that is how you get tacos for dinner in 10 minutes or less. Not a bad deal. Now let's try these bad boys out. Now that sauce, it has a really good coconut flavor to it. You can definitely feel that pepper kicking in right behind it. The flavor of that scorpion pepper and the coconut definitely covers up the fact that I'm using corn tortillas. It just tastes so good, but dang, it's got some kick to it. Now, if you do want to know where I got the Not Dead Yet sauce, I did get it locally down in St. Augustine. Was at a farmer's market off of A1A on St. Augustine Beach. I believe it is on every Wednesday. They're there every week. Awesome booth to pick it up. These shrimp tacos are slamming, and this scorpion pepper is hot. Woo! But definitely loving these tacos. I'm gonna go hit up a couple more and see how much more I can tolerate of these scorpion peppers. Man, these tacos are delicious. They're just hot. Them scorpion peppers aren't lying. It hits you with that sting right after the nice coconut flavor. You get the sweetness of the coconut, the flavor of the shrimp goes together perfectly. And then dang, that pepper just comes and hits you right there. Scorpion peppers for the win. Definitely gonna give these tacos and the sauce a good 8. Give it a solid 8.5. And that's that. This sauce is amazing. Go down to St. Augustine, check these guys out. Not Dead Yet. Awesome flavors, good food. And let me know what you all want me to cook next. I mean, you got plenty of hot sauces up in here. Definitely need some ideas. Let's get this fired up. Till next time, peace.